Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to review Windscribe VPN. Windscribe has been making waves in the VPN landscape, promising a blend of security, privacy, and a touch of versatility. But does it live up to the hype? Join us on this Windscribe VPN review as we delve into its feature, go through the security measures, and explore the unique offerings that set it apart. Launched in 2016, Windscribe stands as a reputable VPN service headquartered in Canada, distinguishing itself from several other highly rated VPNs. Windscribe operates independently and is not under the ownership of a larger cybersecurity company. Windscribe provides both a free and a paid service. While paid subscription Windscribe Pro offers enhanced features, the free plan remains amongst the top choices for free VPN services. Windscribe's network spans across 66 countries, offering 110 city locations. This stands in contrast to competitors who concentrate their servers in the US and Europe, often relying on false IP data to fame diverse server locations. Windscribe provides a comprehensive suite of applications catering to Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and Linux users. The browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge offer more connectivity options, while the website hosts a guide for services on various platforms including routers, Amazon Fire TV, NVIDIA Shield, and any OpenVPN compatible software or device. Support for WireGuard, iKey v2, and OpenVPN coupled with robust AES 256 encryption ensures the security of your VPN tunnel traffic, safeguarding it from potential eavesdroppers. Windscribe also incorporates stealth technologies aimed at obfuscating your VPN usage, potentially enabling uninterrupted online access even in countries where VPN traffic is actively blocked. Let me just give you a bit of an overview between using a paid VPN service versus a free VPN service. Caution is essential when you're dealing with free offerings, and this rule applies to VPNs as well. While certain free VPNs excel in performance, others may provide pretty low services or compromise your privacy. Let's explore a few instances of unscrupulous tactics that certain VPNs may employ. Certain free VPN providers may track your internet browsing habits to later sell this information to marketing agencies. These service providers may also share your connection with other users, resulting in all of these user activities being associated with your IP address. Free VPNs may contain malware, while others have been known to leak and even sell user data. If you use trial or free versions of a premium VPN service, it's just best to pay for the service and use all of the features that would be available to you. We already have a list of the best VPNs on our channel, so be sure to check it out for more guidance. They're very safe and easy services to use, not even that expensive. Paying a little more to save your privacy is really not that big of a loss. It's always best to be safe. Now, time for a little legal disclaimer. Some of the links provided below are affiliate links. This means that at no additional cost to you, we may earn a commission if you make a purchase through them. We recommend products and services based on their quality and relevance, not because of the commissions that we may receive. Every purchase which is made through these links helps support our channel and allows us to continue producing content like this. Thank you so much for your support. With that being said, you can visit the links in the description below to get the latest information and exclusive deals. Windscribe incorporates robust privacy features employing AES 256 encryption, SHA 512 authentication, a 4096-bit RSA key, and perfect forward secrecy. This ensures that even if a private key is compromised, it only grants access to data within a single session. To minimize the risk of data leaks, the app employs various techniques such as redirecting DNS requests through the VPN server and the optional use of a firewall to block all internet access just in case a connection drops. Unlike conventional kill switch features found in other VPNs, Windscribe opts for a firewall feature on its desktop app. According to the VPN providers, this firewall is considered more potent and reliable. It functions by blocking all connections outside the VPN tunnel, preventing DNS, IPv6, WebRTC, and other potential leaks. This firewall feature is highly customizable, offering you 3 modes. Automatic mode, which activates the firewall upon connecting to Windscribe VPN, serving as a kill switch by dropping the internet connection if the VPN server connection is interrupted. The manual one allows users to customize when the firewall is turned on or off. If you manually activate it, internet access is available only when you're connected to the VPN and you have always on. This ensures internet access is exclusively available when connected to the VPN, providing a heightened level of security. Windscribe's split tunneling functionality is accessible through its Windows, Mac OS, and Android applications. This feature proves to be a very dependable tool for tailoring which applications are exempted from the VPN connection. This customization proves useful when conserving bandwidth or accessing a website that necessitates your actual location. However, the process of selecting specific programs to bypass the VPN connection can be somewhat tiring. The list provided encompasses various themes, gestures, and low-level services, making it challenging to locate the desired app. The double hop feature enables you to establish connections with any two servers of your choice. Essentially, rather than connecting to a single location, your connection will traverse through two distinct locations, enhancing the concealment of your actual IP address. With Windscribe VPN installed on your device, there's no need for additional ad blocker software. This is thanks to the effective performance of Robert, a highly customizable domain and IP blocking tool that effectively safeguards your device against a range of online threats. While the $9 cost for a single month is more budget-friendly compared to similar VPN services, the annual subscription price at $575 appears relatively high. It would probably be better for Windscribe to align its pricing more closely with the position in the market and just bring it down a notch. For instance, some top-tier VPNs like Private Internet Access offers rates that are 65% cheaper than Windscribe. Notably, Windscribe provides a build-up plan alternative, enabling users to acquire Windscribe server locations for just $1 each per month. This allows for a more tailored approach, especially for those who require access to one or two VPN servers, keeping the monthly cost to a couple of dollars. We appreciate Windscribe's flexibility in offering those customized options. Windscribe's provisions of a free version are commendable. However, its capabilities are somewhat restricted. Without email confirmation, users are limited to 2 GB of monthly data. Upon email verification, the free plan expands to 10 GB of monthly data, offering unlimited device connections, which are very similar to the paid plan, along with access to servers in 10 countries. It's worth noting that the free version of Windscribe VPN doesn't provide access to all the locations available to paid users. Free users can only utilize servers in the US, Canada, Germany, France, Norway, Romania, Switzerland, Hong Kong, and a few more. Nevertheless, this remains a generous array of countries for a free VPN, as unpaid users typically have access to only 3 or 4 locations at best. Windscribe Pro VPN exhibits swift download speeds and connections in a close proximity, yet its performance becomes less remarkable when it's linked to servers situated at a considerable distance. Both the free and paid versions of VPN deliver speeds adequate for HD streaming and gaming, although there are faster alternatives in the market. In terms of streaming capabilities, Windscribe VPN stands as a very reliable option. Although it may not secure a spot in our top streaming VPNs list, it effectively unblocks various streaming platforms and libraries across the globe. Notably, Windscribe offers dedicated servers optimized for streaming known as Winflix servers, available in the US, Canada, UK, and Japan. We successfully access geo-block content on platforms like Netflix, HBO, and Hulu using Winflix US. The Android version of Windscribe supports a variety of protocols including WireGuard, OpenVPN, UDP, IKE v2, and Stealth. The Android application boasts a sleek and modern design, surpassing its desktop counterpart in visual appeal. Within the Android app, users can make numerous connections, adjustments, and opt for very specific servers. It incorporates intriguing features like GPS spoofing, MTU customization, and split tunneling. However, one potential drawback is the constant vibration feedback every time a user taps on any element within the app, which may become bothersome. In summary, the version of the app surpasses its desktop counterparts, offering a more extensive array of features and a more aesthetically pleasing user interface. So this is the Windscribe app. First of all, you can get the best locations. You have your firewall IP. Now, if you go into the locations, you're going to get a list of different locations that you can connect to as you would prefer. Then, if you go to the general settings app, you can go through different options, like you want to launch it on startup, you want to keep it minimized, you want it docked, if you want to have notifications or not. In like network options, you want split tunneling or not, you want your proxy settings. different forms of connection modes, different connection DNS. And then you have Robert. Robert is basically a customizable server-side domain and IP blocking tool. So you can click on whatever you want to block and it's going to block it just right there. For more advanced options and advanced settings like IPv6, tap driver, API resolutions, client-side keep alive, you can go through them, see if you want to add them or not, you want to keep them or you want to just go through them. They're not necessary, but if you are somebody who's more techie about VPNs and more privacy oriented, you can never go wrong with these options. So that's pretty much it for Windscribe VPN and its user interface. It's very simple, to the point. You can just get in there, connect, and that's all you have to do. If you want to add in the settings, and that's pretty much it. For users encountering technical issues, Windscribe support site serves as a very valuable starting point for finding solutions. The available resources include curated articles on various topics encompassing getting started guides, technical troubleshooting, billing inquiries, and general FAQs. While these tutorials may not always provide the comprehensive depth that is desired, they sufficiently address very fundamental and basic aspects. Notably, the Android setup guide surpasses the standard install the app at Google Play advice often found with less thorough providers. Instead, it clearly explains the purpose of a VPN, offers the link, an alternate direct APK download if necessary, and it covers setup and usage basics, complete with helpful screenshots. For basic issues, Windscribe's automated chatbot named Gary proves to be an effective resource, but Gary can only handle very basic kind of questions. If you can't find your answers by using the methods which are mentioned above, you can try submitting a ticket. A customer support agent should be able to answer your questions in a span of few hours or at least a day. In conclusion, Windscribe VPN stands as a commendable choice for users seeking a very well-rounded VPN experience. Its high security measures, innovative features, and user-friendly interface contribute to a very positive user experience. While it may not lead the pack in every category, Windscribe's unique offerings, streaming capabilities, and flexible pricing options make it a very noteworthy contender in this competitive VPN landscape. So whether you're a privacy-conscious user, a content streamer, or someone in search of a reliable and customizable VPN solution, Windscribe navigates the digital breeze with a blend of security and innovation. And there you have it, guys, our comprehensive Windscribe review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the world of cybersecurity and online privacy. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.